the laws of indices and square root of a. That is law number 3. It means if a is raised to 1 over 2, then you can write it as the square root of a. Rule number 4, law number 4 of indices, we have a raised to x over y. We can write it as square root of a raised to x. Then we bring y here. So any value that is the denominator of the fraction that is raised to a, you bring it here. Then the x, which is the numerator, comes inside the square root. So it is the y root of a raised to x. The last law is a raised to 0 equals to 1. Any number raised to 0, the answer must be 1. An example. Let's begin with this example here. 2 raised to multiplied by, use this close multiplication, multiplied by 2 raised to 1, or 2 raised to, yes, 1. It must be using the first law, a raised to x multiplied by a raised to y. We can say it is 2. Another thing you need to remember is if the bases are the same, we can add the powers. If the bases are not the same, we can't do that mathematics. So it is 2 raised to 3 plus, now that it was multiplication, we add the powers. So the answer is 2 raised to 4, which is 2 raised to 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16. Example 2, we have 5 raised to 3, 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 2. Using the second law, it is 5, now that the bases are the same, 5 raised to 6 minus 2. Division goes hand in hand with subtraction, so it is 5 raised to 6 minus 2 is 4. You can leave your answer there, or you multiply 5 times 4 times 5 times 5, 4 times, you get your answer. The next law, our third law, use it here. The third law, using an example given here. You can use this example. For example, 4 raised to a half. This is the square root of 4, which is 2, using the third law of indices. Next example is 8 raised to 2 over 3. Simplify. We simplify this using the fourth law. Is you take out the denominator, then you make it a square root, so it is the cube root of 8 squared, that is cube root of 64. Your answer is 4. All right. We are doing now the last. The last is straightforward. You can use it in one of the examples here. A raised to 0, any number raised to 0, even if it is 40 million raised to 0, the answer must be 1. Thank you. Welcome again in our next class.